Have you ever driven down a street and thought, wait, how have I never noticed that before? Well, that was me on Kedzie Boulevard. When I'm walking, suddenly I'm noticing castles, gorgeous apartments, beautiful homes, and I'm pretty sure I found a building that I can rent for my next big party. Today, we're going to explore one of my favorite stretches of Logan Square, and you got to make sure you look up. If you love discovering new hidden gems in Chicago, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm Beth, and this is BB in the City, where every corner has a story. Come on, let's go for a walk. Welcome to stop number 1, between Wrightwood and Elkeld. Now, these aren't mansions, but don't let it fool you. These are Chicago's classic Courtyard apartments, and aren't they gorgeous? Look at those porches. They're just begging for you to hop up and grab a cup of coffee or maybe share a little neighborhood gossip. What I love most is that Logan Square wasn't just building beautiful mansions. It was creating beautiful homes for everyday Chicagoans. And more than 100 years later, they still turn heads. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Welcome to stop number 2, between Elkeld and Fullerton. I almost walked right past this building the first time I saw it here. Then I looked up, and suddenly I was that person standing in the sidewalk staring at the building. Just look at those arches. It's impossible to miss them all. And the ivy, it's basically giving this building a permanent glow up. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Welcome to stop number 3, between Elkeld and Fullerton. Okay, this one is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that rooftop, the castle-like towers, and that beautiful garden. I don't know who lives here, but if they ever need someone to water the flowers while they're on vacation, I'm available. Seriously though, this is one of those homes that makes you stop, smile, and appreciate just how beautiful Logan Square really is. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Welcome to stop number 4, between Elkeld and Fullerton. Okay, here it is. This is my favorite building on Kedzie, hands down. I mean, look at it. It's like someone dropped a castle right in the middle of the boulevard. Believe it or not, it wasn't actually a mansion. It was actually a temple when it opened in 1921. But today, it's one of Chicago's most unique event venues. So whether you're looking for a place to host your next wedding, birthday party, or family reunion, I'd say this sets the bar high. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Welcome to stop number 5, between Elkeld and Fullerton. This building is kind of like Chicago. It knows how to reinvent itself. Look up to the upper stairs and you'll see a beautiful historical stonework, and then look down, modern storefronts. These stairs give 1900s, downstairs it gives, I'll grab a cup of coffee while I'm here. Somehow it all works. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Welcome to spot number 6, between Elkeld and Fullerton. Okay, I have a question. Is anyone else looking at the house, or are you just staring at that giant tree? It's like the tree decided years ago, don't worry, I've got you, and has been protecting this house ever since. Between the sandstone, the bay window, and that welcoming front porch, this place has so much charm. I'm pretty sure the squirrels have a better view than we do. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Welcome to spot number 7, between Elkeld and Fullerton. This house feels like the grown-up on the block. It's not trying to be flashy. It already knows it looks good. Look at those massive columns and that front porch. You know, people have been sitting out there watching the neighborhood go by for generations. And those trees, they're basically the house's personal umbrella. This is the kind of home that reminds me why they always say they just don't build them like they used to. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Welcome to spot number 8, between Elkeld and Fullerton. This house clearly believes you can never have too much porch. Look at the front porch and then look at the other porch at the top. Apparently, one porch was just not enough. Every home on Kedzie has its own personality, and that's what makes the street so much fun to explore. You can drive down the boulevard 100 times and never notice these little details. But when you slow down and you walk, you start to see the stories come to life. Come on, let's keep going on our walk. Thank you so much for joining me today for the walk on Kedzie. Which building was your favorite? Was it Stan's mansion? Or did you have another one that stole the show? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you don't want to miss out on any other adventures, new videos drop every Sunday. I'm Beth. This is BB in the City, where every corner has a story. Until next time, our next walk is on Albany Avenue. See you there.